Hi, this is Ron Janish. Got something I'm really excited about. We've done a bunch of studies on this and we found something that is very nice and very reliable. It is a major pivot indicator. It is the new Andrews major pivot indicator, and it uh, points out when the probability is real good that we now have a major pivot. Let me show you an example of a real easy to recognize major pivot. Whoa. Okay, here we go. Here we have the major pivot indicator, okay? And notice that price went up rather nicely. And around here is where Matthew was talking about getting long. This is a few weeks ago. And as you can see, price went from down here to way up there. It's not unusual for price to change between 5 and 35–40% after a major pivot indicator. Okay, so and then for price to move in the new direction for quite some time. We're going to, for the time being, what we're going to do is we're going to let everyone know in the Advanced Andrews group, in the private discussion group, when we have a signal in these different things. So for example, we would have, here we have one in the Australian dollar. Here we have one in the British pound. In the Canadian, it was a while back. Japanese yen was here. Mexican peso was here. Okay. Let's go down to a few other ones. Dollar index was here. Now what's interesting for me is the dollar index had one here, but the euro did not have one there. It happens. How about the hogs? Hogs had one here. And coffee's kind of cool, watching coffee. And coffee hasn't had one, but it's on a MAPI watch. So we're keeping an eye open for one here. And we're also keeping an eye open for one here. And this is the Dow Jones. Now we would need new highs in order for the indicator to start flashing at us. And what'll happen is if you're in the advanced group, you will get a direct email. And this is part of our private email feature. While we may also send them out through the Yahoo group at times, we typically like to send them out direct as a BCC, a blind carbon copy. And what happens is you get it directly, you get it quickly, rather than going through Yahoo, which can sometimes be delayed by a day or 2 or 3, depending on whatever criteria Yahoo uses for that. Okay, so this gives you an idea of what we have right now in the MAPI indicators. We'll take a look at this again in the future, and so you can see how well it works. Anyway, this is a wonderful new exciting thing. See you next time. Bye.